Hey you guys, today we're making fudge brownies with walnuts. I have to warn you right now that these brownies are super addicting. So we're going to start off by melting a stick of butter with our milk chocolate. You want to melt them together in the microwave at 30-second intervals. This was after the first 30 seconds. Mix your chocolate and your butter together very well and place it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Okay, and then it's going to look about like this, almost smooth. We're going to start off with some granulated sugar and also some brown sugar. And you want to add in your cocoa powder and your vanilla extract. And go ahead and give that a good stir. And just keep stirring, and then also incorporate the powder on the sides as you go so you can mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. So it'll be like this, and then go ahead and add your salt, and then we're going to add some eggs in there. Give it another good stir until your eggs are fully incorporated into your mixture. And there you are. Once everything is mixed, it's going to be nice and smooth just like that. So we're ready to add in our walnuts. I like to add half at a time. So half a cup now, and then I'm going to fold the walnuts into the mixture and then go ahead and add the other half. There we are. Add the second half. Go ahead and fold them into the mixture again. And then we're going to get ready to prepare our pan for our brownies. Go ahead and spray your pan with cooking spray. I love this pan because the brownies do not stick at all in this pan. I know we use cooking spray, but it's really good at making sure that the brownies don't stick. So add your mixture right into your pan. You're going to have to work with it a little bit because the brownie mixture is pretty thick. Grab a tablespoon and go ahead and start to work your brownie mixture into your pan. I like to start by pressing the brownie into the edges of the pan while smoothing, and then just continue that process until you have your brownie mixture well worked into your pan. Just like that. It just takes a little patience. Alright, it's ready for our second set of chocolate chips. So just spread your chocolate chips pretty evenly throughout your pan. I like to start off by using my measuring cup, and then I go ahead and place the milk chocolates in my hand and go ahead and spread them around the rest of the pan like so. And we're ready for the oven. Place your pan in the oven. Do not cover this with foil. And we're going to bake our brownies for about 30 minutes. Your brownies are done once you insert a toothpick through the center of them and it comes out clean. When you take them out, they should look like this. They puff up a little bit. Go ahead and let them cool for about 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes, until you start to cut your brownies. These brownies have cooled for about 30 minutes and they're still a little hot. Let's go ahead and show you all a nice little yummy piece of these delicious brownies. And that's it, you guys. We hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Full details are in the description. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you all for watching.